बेकरारो सुनो दिल फिगारो सुनो बेकरारो सुनो दिल फिगारो सुनो आ गए मुस्तफा मरहबा मरहबा।
Now the Islamist publisher Maktabatul Madina's published renowned book of Shaykh Tariqat Amir Ahl Sunnat Damat Barakatuhumul Aliyah, Madani Treasure of Blessings, consisting of 420 pages, states on page 321 with reference of Ma Sabata Min As-Sunnah, Shaykh Abdul Haq Muhaddith Dehlavi Rahmatullahi Ta'ala Alayh has stated, the Muslims have always organized gatherings of Milad, given invitations in the happiness of the blessed birth, and given food and charity to others in abundance on this occasion. The Muslims always greatly express their joy and happiness and always spend open-heartedly on this occasion. Furthermore, they arrange for the remembrance of the blessed birth of the noble Prophet sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa alihi wasallam, and they decorate their houses, and with the blessings of all these pious acts, the mercy of Allah Azza wa Jal descends upon these people.
बेकरारो सुनो दिल फिगारो सुनो बेकरार